Hey friends, Catherine here. We are making a Get Well Soon card. Well, I say a Get Well Soon card. It is going to be a card congratulating someone on having their knee replaced. So we've got a bit of background fluff here. It's shiny and pretty, and we've got this square-ish bit of card here. This is going to be the back, so this will be the front. And we're going to start by just taking our bit of background interest and slathering it in glue stick. There we go. All right. And then take and turn it over and stick it down to the card with hopefully a semi-even amount of border all the way around. Well, to the one side. Then we've got this gear that we made the other day, which is going to go right across the whole center of the thing. So we need to put glue all over the back of it as well. Go most of the way. There we are, glue, and then try and stick it down in a semi-neat and centered sort of style. And smooth it outward, which will hopefully make it lie flat. Because it was folded up. We had to fold it up to make it. There we go. Somewhat lie flat. And now the last element, because it is a Get Well Soon knee replacement card, are these two little knee bones that I made. I've just got a white piece of paper and a bit of lavender paper coming up over the top in the shape of a knee joint. Let's see. And I think I want them to fit together in that direction, and they are going to come to the center but lead all the way to the edges of the card. Like that, I think. That's good. Might be a little too busy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. It'll work. Stick glue all over it as well. And stick it down toward the center-ish, having it hang off the edge because I'm going to trim that. And then same thing for the other one. Glue all over the back side. And then right there-ish, sort of hanging off of the edge. So that's it. It's kind of like a knee joint with the joint part having been replaced. It's a very specific card, used only for very specific occasions, but that's what we're making it custom for. Because when you make the card yourself, you can make it specific to the occasion, and you can make it specific to whatever occasion. And that, I think, is pretty fun and awesome. I kind of want a little bit of texture on it, though. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, maybe some ribbon or something that's actually got some texture to it. I don't know. Ooh. Pink and white and gray. That'll be close enough to our colors. Let's pull off the length of this. Not all of it though. There we go. And then let's cut that in half. So I'm just going to find the center point, I'm going to match the two ends together, and then run it through my fingers down to the end and cut it in half. And then let's fold it over a couple of times. For each end, hopefully, without tying it in a knot. Because that's, of course, the first thing that I did. Let me just try this. Let's pull it out the other end and see if we can't. Nope. Okay. It's in a knot. That's fine. Alright, so match up the ends, fold it in half a couple of times. Because I'm thinking a bow. So in half, in half. Alright, and then the other one as well. Birds are being loud today. That's all right. Let's be fair, they're loud every day. In half and in half. Awesome. Okay. And then match those two up and tie it. And then let's see. That is not going the direction I want it to. Let's see. What should we do for this? I'm trying to think it out. Oh, here we go. I know. Let's cut through all these loops real quick. There we go. Okay, and then let's take like half from each side, maybe, thereabouts. Not counting it out or anything, but about half. And let's loop those. Hopefully. There we go. I'm liking that, actually. Okay, and then let's do the same thing for the next set. And loop those, hopefully. It's going to end up with all kinds of crazy loops all over the place. That's okay, though. Should work out. And it's starting to come together. There's a picture of what I want in my mind. Okay. Second set of loops done. And now third set. Tighten it down, loop it, and there we go. Okay. All loops all over the place. Shorten that one up a little bit so that they're equal. Maybe pull this one a little bit longer, hopefully. There we go. That's nice. That's all right. And all different lengths, and awesome, and kind of tassely. Perfect, and then we'll just stick that down. Not with the glue stick though, because the glue stick won't do it. Let's use a little bit of tacky glue right on the back of this whole knot. Go, something like that. And then, before we stick that down, we'll let the tacky glue soak into it for a minute. Before we stick that down though, we want to write our message on the back. Because once we stick that down, it's not going to lie flat. So let's write our message. Let's see. Congrats on the knee. I don't think I can fit replacement in that section. Let me mock it out in my mind real quick. Nope, definitely not going to fit. Swap. Swap would fit though. Swap. Congrats on the knee swap. You that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. Pull out an eraser real quick and just erase that a little bit. R 1 step step closer to becoming a. Let's switch over to a different color. We might go over this with marker or something. I don't know how well that's showing up. But we'll see how it goes. Cyborg. There we go. Congrats on the knee swap. You are one step closer to becoming a cyborg. And now you know why it's got a knee on the cover. Perfect. Okay. Let's actually go over that in marker real quick before we, if I can see any markers anywhere. Aha, there we go. We'll use this marker. And then I think a different color for the word cyborg. Since I went with a different color than blue anyway, I think pink, maybe. Pink's a good cyborg color, yeah? There we go. All right. Message all written. And fun texture accent stuck down so we can't continue writing it on it anymore. And there we go. One get well soon card finished. What do you think? It's pretty awesome in my own opinion, but what do I know? Why don't you tell me what you think of it in the comments down below, how awesome it is, and how you would love to get a one step closer to becoming a cyborg card if you had your knee replaced. And because I put up new videos every day, I will see you all again tomorrow. Oh, remember to subscribe. Bye!